This is the review for test 3, problem 12. All right, for problem A, we have log of x plus 24 minus log of x plus 2 equals log of 9. Now we're going to use the quotient rule to rewrite the left side of that equation as log of x plus 24 over x plus 2. And that equals log of 9. Now, once you have a single log on the left and a single log on the right, then you can drop the logarithms. And that will give you x plus 24 over x plus 2 equals 9. Now I'm going to put the 9 over 1 and then cross multiply. So when I cross multiply, I get 1 times x plus 24, which is x plus 24, equals 9 times x, which is 9x, plus 9 times 2, which is 18. All right, now I'm going to subtract x from both sides, so I get 24 equals 8x plus 18. I'm going to subtract 18 from both sides, and I get 6 equals 8x, and divide both sides by 8, and then reduce, and I get 3 over 4 equals x, and that's the answer. So again, you can't drop the logs unless there's a log on the left and one log on the right, and nothing else. All right, let's go look at this. Part B is different. Notice there's no log on the left at all. Now, for this one, we've got, first we're going to use our product rule to rewrite it as log base 4 of x times x minus 12 equals 3. Now we're going to take it out of log form and put it in exponential form. Again, I can't drop that log base 4 because there's no log base 4 on the right-hand side. So remember that I'm going to go from log form to exponential form. Since my base here is a 4, then that's what I start with, is that base of 4, and I say 4 to the third power equals x times x minus 12. Now 4 to the third power, that's 64. So 64 equals, distribute my x, and I get x squared minus 12x. Now I need to set this equal to 0, so I subtract 64 from both sides, and I get 0 equals x squared minus 12x minus 64. Now I factor this, and this factors into x minus 16 times x plus 4. So x equals 16, or x equals a negative 4. Now, you have to check. This is a situation where you can get extraneous solutions. So what does an extraneous solution mean? It means it's a solution that actually doesn't work. So the check is you can't take the logarithm of a negative number. So if we put in a 16 into the original equation, we'll get log base 4 of 16. That's good. And we get log base 4 of 16 minus 12, which is log base 4 of 4. That's good. So x equals 16 is a solution. But for x equals a negative 4, if we put log base 4 of a negative 4, that's what you can never have. You can't take the logarithm when the argument is negative. So this is not a solution. Our only solution is x equals 16.